Well, hey, Western media, I'm still looking for that complete stoppage of all activity as it relates to progress and building in China. They are still moving forward with speed. Love it. Construction everywhere. Oh, stop your complaining. It won't be that bad. Trust me. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into something that's on everybody's minds. Watch this video. What if I told you that some of the most productive factories in China now operate without a single human worker and with robots? And by the way, in the dark. Welcome to the world of dark factories. Highly advanced, fully automated production facilities that operate 24/7 without lights or supervision. These factories are revolutionizing global manufacturing, and China is leading the transformation. In today's video, we'll explore what are dark factories and how do they work, and real key features that make them so efficient, and some real-world examples of dark factories in action. We'll also discuss the economic and social implications on this shift. Let's dive in and uncover the future of manufacturing. Just in case you don't know, let me explain, because you certainly won't hear about it from the Western media. China is undergoing a manufacturing revolution, transforming from the world's factory floor into the world's most advanced automated production hub. While the US struggles to keep up, China continues to race ahead, embracing full automation and even building dark factories, fully unmanned facilities operated by robotics or robots. To understand how we got here, we got to look back at the evolution of manufacturing in China. Manual labor powered the first wave of manufacturing in China. The old China, the era of cheap labor. For decades, China dominated global manufacturing with one key advantage: cheap labor. And right here, this is what it's all about. Pause this and read it. Millions of workers assembling iPhones, other types of phones, sneakers, and toys for the entire world. But as wages rose and competition grew, China knew it had to evolve or lose its edge. Enter the 20th century automation. Machines began to replace human labor in repetitive tasks. It was the beginning of the shift to semi-automation. China enters semi-automation by the 2010s. China began integrating robotics into factories, boosting efficiency while keeping costs low. Non-stop building in China. See it with your own eyes. But the Western media will tell you that construction is at a halt because the economy has sank. False news. The economy is fine. Construction is moving with progress at speeds that have never been seen in the West. Cranes everywhere. Just look at the excitement around these drone deliveries in China. Order your drinks and food and sit back in a beautiful park on a beautiful day and get a delivery. Let's check it out for a second. Here she comes, bringing somebody some goodies, whether that's some food, snacks, or some drinks. This is so cool. There she goes. Many companies in China deploy thousands and thousands of robotics to work side by side with humans. But this was just the beginning. Then, full automation takes over. Now, China is pushing forward into full automation in factories where robotics are handling everything from welding to packaging. The result? Faster production output, no quality problems, and costs are driven down. And while the U.S. debates reshoring manufacturing, China is already on the next phase, dark factories. This gentleman is going to tell us who we're looking at.
This is Chinese god. He's called Sun Wukong. 这个叫中国的神也是叫孙悟空。然后他是一个在古代神话里是一个比较厉害的一个神话故事，比较厉害的一个大圣，一个能力的非常强的，然后能赢很多这个妖怪的，是一个，他是四大这个名著当中的一个典型的这个 actor， 他是一个男主角，然后呢跟着唐僧去取经，是有这样一个东方的一个故事。OK，sorry。
AI and IoT era is here in China and has been here. Today, advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and Internet of Things and machine learning have paved the way for fully autonomous production. China, known as the world's factory, has embraced these technologies to boost productivity and reduce costs. Now, the next phase, the rise of dark factories. Dark factories are the future, and it started here in China. Lights out manufacturing, where robotics and robots work 24/7 without human intervention. Many factories and warehouses are already going dark, meaning robotics and robots. Perhaps there's a little bit of a hint behind me. Companies in China are already running these dark factories, producing appliances and electronics at unbelievable speeds and perfect quality. No coffee breaks, no sick days, just pure efficiency. And this is all being done while the U.S. is falling further and further behind. China is moving with speed. More and more factories are beginning to operate in the dark with robotics and robots, and leaving the U.S. in the dust. Manufacturing facilities with robotic arms and AI-driven systems, reducing human workforce while increasing productivity by 250%. That's what these robotics are doing in China. So what is the concept of dark factories, and how do we understand it? A dark factory is just not about turning off the lights. It's about creating an environment where machines powered by AI and IoT take full control of the production process. So how does it work? AI algorithms analyze the data and make decisions in real time. IoT connected devices communicate with each other to coordinate the operations. Advanced robotics, robots, handle material movements, assembly, and packaging. Because these factories don't require human presence, many of them operate in the darkness, reducing energy consumption and minimizing operational costs. Let's break down the key features of fully automated factories and what makes dark factories so powerful.
China's dark factories can increase productivity and efficiency. Machines can operate 24/7 without breaks, maximizing production output.
It's the end-to-end automation. Robotics and AI manage everything from material flow to quality checks. Intelligent machine networks. IoT systems allow machines to talk to each other, ensuring smooth coordination on predicting preventative maintenance or other repair needs. How about AI-powered quality control? Machine learning monitors product quality, identifying and fixing defective parts immediately. Ultra-clean manufacturing environments. Autonomous air purification ensures sterile conditions. And that's perfect for industries like electronics and pharmaceuticals. High-speed, scalable production. Automation allows factories to scale quickly to meet rising demand. Energy-efficient operations with lights low or off and minimal waste. These factories promote eco-friendly manufacturing practices. China's commitment to automation is evident through several pioneering projects. Many Chinese factories are now operating smart factories within China using AI and IoT to produce appliances and electronics. These factories and their systems have predictive maintenance through AI and quality assurance to ensure no defects leak out of the factory. And not to mention, fully automated sorting and packaging, systems that handle millions of packages daily without any human touching. What China is doing over here is redefining the global manufacturing landscape and is leaving the rest of the world in the dust. The rise of dark factories brings both opportunities and challenges, which brings on economic and social impacts. Higher productivity with 24/7 operations, lower labor costs, and no human errors. The shift in a workforce will demand companies a need for more skilled workers in AI, robotics, robots, and data science. And there'll be an impact on job displacement for the regular manufacturing factory worker. There's the high probability that traditional manufacturing roles will become obsolete. The benefits of dark factories are undeniable. As factories become more widespread, industries will need to start balancing automation and workforce. Challenging times ahead, but it's necessary to remain competitive on the global market. Mass adoption of automation, robotics, and robots is taking place. The future is truly here. It's truly necessary to remain competitive on the global market. Striking a balance between technological advancements and social responsibility is a key to ensuring a sustainable future. So what's next for manufacturing? It's AI-driven innovation. AI is moving with speed and will continue to enhance factory operations. 5G and soon to be 6G and IoT expansion, moving faster and more reliability. Connectivity will even enable more smarter systems. Hyper-personalized production. Factories will quickly adapt to customers' preferences, creating products tailored at scale quickly, efficiently, and without any quality problems. Experts predict within the next decade, fully autonomous factories will be the norm and will be revolutionizing the global supply chain. Dark factories are no longer the distant future. They are transforming manufacturing today in China. As AI, IoT, and automation evolve, companies that embrace this transformation will lead the next industrial revolution. Meanwhile, the U.S. struggles with high labor costs, slow automation adoption, and political gridlock over industrial policy. While America continues to talk about bringing manufacturing back to the U.S., China is investing billions in AI and 5G, and soon to be 6G, and smart factories, building an unstoppable, tech-driven supply chain. The future. Can the U.S. catch up? The gap is widening, with China leading in robotics, AI, and high-tech infrastructure. The U.S. is being left further in the dust. The question is, will America wake up and invest in the next industrial revolution? Or will China continue to cement itself as the undisputed king of manufacturing? One thing is clear, the future of manufacturing is automation, and China is definitely leading the charge. If the U.S. wants to compete, it's time to step up or continue to be left behind. So what do you think? Can the U.S. catch up, or is China's lead too big? Are fully automated factories with robotics and robots the way of the future? Or do they pose too many challenges? I'd love to read your comments below about this one. So that's it for the video. I appreciate you taking your time to watch. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please comment below. Like I've said in past videos, I respect everybody's comments, whether I agree or disagree. So everybody, be good, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one.